Building a paid Skool community can be a game changer for your business, but knowing exactly how to do it can be tricky. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a paid community on Skool, highlighting key steps, and giving you insights on how it compares to other platforms. Stick around till the end for exclusive details about Skool's free trial and some other alternatives that might be a better fit depending on your goals. First things first, let's talk about Skool's core feature, creating and managing a community. With Skool, you're building a membership-based platform where your audience can access content, connect with each other, and engage with you directly. It's a great setup for offering paid access to exclusive content or perks, but it's not as simple as just pressing a button. You need to understand the customization options available, and the platform's limitations can sometimes get in the way if you're aiming for a highly tailored experience. Next thing, let's discuss monetization. While Skool allows you to set up a paid community, there's a catch. Skool's monetization features are fairly basic compared to other community platforms. They have a subscription model where you can charge members to join, but you can't implement complex pricing tiers or one-time payments without extra steps. If you're looking for more advanced monetization options like upselling courses or providing discounts for different member levels, Skool may not fully support that flexibility out of the box. Now, the third thing to consider is content delivery. Skool makes it easy to upload and organize content for your community, but it's somewhat limited in terms of media formats. For example, you can upload video, but Skool doesn't offer the same high-end streaming capabilities as some competitors like Thinkific or Kajabi. If you're planning on having a lot of multimedia content or live streaming sessions, these platforms might offer more tools to ensure a smoother experience. The fourth thing, community engagement. Skool excels here with its integrated social features. You can have discussions, create groups, and use polls to engage members. However, what Skool doesn't have, and what might be a deal breaker for some, is the lack of integrations with third-party tools like email marketing platforms. You'll need to rely on Skool's built-in features, which are functional but not as powerful as the options available on platforms like Mighty Networks, which allow for deeper integrations and automation. The fifth thing to think about is pricing. Skool offers a relatively affordable base plan for running your community, but it's important to note that pricing can escalate quickly if you want more features or larger community sizes. Compared to competitors, Skool can get pricey when adding extra options like advanced analytics or premium member experiences. Lastly, there's the support and resources available. While Skool has an active community and decent customer support, it's not as robust as what you'll find with platforms like Teachable or Podia, which offer more comprehensive support and a wealth of educational resources for creators. If you're new to building paid communities, this might be a point worth considering. Now, if you're wondering about alternatives, I have you covered. While Skool is a solid option, I'd recommend exploring platforms like Mighty Networks, Thinkific, or Podia. They offer more flexibility in terms of pricing, content delivery, and integrations, which can be crucial for scaling a paid community. Plus, they come with their own free trials, so you can try them out risk-free. And here's the best part. Through the link in the description, you can grab an exclusive and extended free trial to Skool, along with the best deals on these other alternatives, which could better suit your needs. Don't miss out on the special benefits we've secured just for you. If you're looking to build a paid community with all the features you need to succeed, make sure you check out all your options and start with the right platform that will grow with you.